So if you missed class last night, for our Meatless Mondays, using walnuts as a taco meat filling, as you can see, you grind your raw walnuts in a food processor, soak them, and then just cook them on a saute pan, in a saute pan. You don't want your heat too high or they will scorch and turn everything bitter, kind of like too high of a temperature for fresh garlic. You can add in whatever veggies you want and spices, whatever you like. You can go old school and get the kind we used to use in the 70s that came in a little envelope and you mix with water. That works too. And just heat it up to whatever consistency you want. If you want it softer, add more moisture. If you want it drier, then don't add the liquid. Remember, you can always cook the liquid out or add more liquid in. It's very forgiving. And it is amazingly delicious and satisfying. Heat up some torts. I always recommend corn tortillas because that's your whole grain. I like rice on mine. There's the walnut meat, some cabbage, hot sauce, and cilantro. Delicious. Go try it.